So you do not want do kind of activity like jogging or something
I
like
just did
that?
jogging. I just did jogging.
You did jogging?
Yep,
What else?
that's it.
That's it?
Yep.
How about the gym?
No, not yet, I guess. They
Not
only did
yet.
jogging today.
Done. Oh, you look so fresh.
No, I just finished showering.
I just, oh yeah, you're already showering. Okay. So, yeah, as the warming up, what is your recommendation to do?
Warming up.
Yeah, for the warming up. Play games or do what? What do you
Just
want?
get straight to the material, I guess.
Oh, straight to the material.
Yeah,
Are you okay with that?
yeah, I'm okay.
Hmm. So I wanna ask you maybe a few of questions first. Uh, about the last lesson. So, are you done with that?
Not really yet. Not really.
Not
Since
really?
right after the lesson, we have to go to Batu.
Okay, okay, I see. Sam, I want to excuse for, I'm using mask because I'm
Okay,
not quite well today. So, I just want to say sorry for that.
no, it's okay, sir.
Okay, but is my voice audible clearly?
Uh, your noise, your voice, I mean.
Audible?
Yep, audible.
Okay. Okay, I think that's enough for the introduction. Now let's get started. Okay, today you'll learn about random and time modules, Sam. Okay, and then this is quite important module. I mean, important is you will use these two modules in future when you create your own project, of course. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I wanna hear from you first. Have you heard about modules? The word module.
Yes.
What is that in your mind?
Hold up. Sir, hold up. Can excuse me, I need to charge.
Oh yeah, yeah, sure.
Modules, right?
Yeah.
To be honest, about modules, I'm not really sure.
No, you have heard about it.
Yeah, I've heard
Do
about
you?
that, but
Mm-hmm.
the meaning is like,
Kind of
mm,
collection of lesson, right? Or collection of materials that you will learn. That's your definition?
modules like
Mm-hmm. It's like what?
a set of like complex structure, I think, that is used to make something.
Exactly right. You're right about it. And it's
Oh,
almost same in programming. So it consists of a bunch of functions later. Okay? And then you can, rename it into something that you want. But today you will learn about standard module from Python. We call it as a random and time module. Okay, Sam, and
okay.
I will tell you a story to kind of get the sense why do we need to use random and time module. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's read this task, Sam. So you have to write a program that draws lots for water polo teams, and then for the result, the program should print a random pair of numbers to indicate which teams will play one another in the qualifying match. Now, what did what will you do if you have a task like this? So maybe the most you know the approximation that you can do is based on the flow chart. You have to do something like this. Based on this picture, of course, you need to use input function, right?
Yeah.
And then you need to create a variable named random or participant one, and then it's using random from number one until the number of the teams that I have been entered, and then the participants two also. And then it can print kind of what is the output from here and what's the output from here. That is story. So why do we need to use a random module? So we can kind of generate a number from 1 until n. One number, you will generate one number from 1 until n using that module. That's why it kind of print not the same number here. So from 1 until 11, it can print 7 and 1, and then 5 and 1. It means that you need to print it twice here. Okay? Now,
Okay.
how to use random module? Well, that's our goal for today. We'll explore and apply the advanced feature of Python standard library, and in detail, maybe you're going to learn what the Python standard library is and what modules it contains. And then explore and apply the capabilities of random and time modules. Okay, that's all. That's all what you will learn. Okay,
Okay.
so before we jump into that part, I wanna introduce to you about what kind of standard library does Python has. Okay, does Python have. First is we call it as a built-in capabilities. So this is a short explanation. It will execute immediately. And then random module, the stuff that you will learn today. This is working with random numbers. And time module, this is getting and calculating time. And turtle module, you learn about this after this module finish. I mean this lesson finish later in the next week. And then the OS module, this is quite useful, Sam, the OS module, because if you work actually with picture later in Python start second year, so you kind of really need this module, the OS module. And I will not talk about this for today and the next week. We'll talk about this in the Python start second year. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now what is random module and then how I can use random module. So random module contains tools for generating random values. Remember that, son. And then two of random modules function that we will use them. First, we call it as a randint, and then the second one is random. Okay, so this is quite similar with its the name of the function and module. It's same. I mean, you do not need to worry about the same name. The first is randit, Sam, and then the second is random. Now it's randit. What is random? So randit will generate one number from its range that you've given. Okay? Just like if you say random from 1 until 10, so it will return one number for you from 1 until 10. The INT stands for integer. So it should be integer. Let's say 7 or the other number. Just one. In each time, you print this random function. Okay, Sam?
Okay.
Okay, now how about random module? So random module is a function that allows you to generate a number between 0, not including 1. It's almost 1. I mean, the maximum value is 0.9999, but it never 1. Okay, Sam?
Okay.
Okay. And then how I can call the random module. That's the important part. Well, we have three ways to call module, I mean standard module in Python. First, you can use or you can say import random. So straight to mention the name of the module, import random. And then if you want to use one of the function inside that module, you just need to say random.randomize and then from where. This is the first way. The second way is you can say from random import the specific function that you want to use. In this case, let's define it as a randit. Okay, and then
Okay.
yeah, if you want to call the randit, this is how you can connect it. Remember that, and then this is how you can use them. Okay, it's almost same. So the difference is when you are using this method, there is no you cannot do something like this. You should mention the random again. But when you use this method, you can skip this part and then say randit 0 comma 10 9, excuse me. And then lastly, the way that I prefer to use is from random import star, and then star pronouns with everything. So from random import everything, and then the disadvantage of this is you have to memorize what's the function that you want to use, like randit, random, or something like that. Okay, Sam? So
Okay.
this is the first way, import random, from random import randit. This is the second way, called the specific function, straight, and then this is the third way, from random import everything. Now, do you have question of all of the stuff before I jumped
Mhm.
into the website?
Mm, can you go back to this? Yeah, this one, so I can take a
Oh,
screenshot and to learn it later.
this one.
No, not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Go forward. Wait, not yet. Yeah, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, that
Okay.
one. Let me take a picture so that. Okay.
Okay. Done.
Okay, should. Okay, done.
Okay. Now, how we can use it to solve this problem? Let me jump into the website, Sam. Okay. So go into our website, Sam, and then click the course
Course.
or the laboratory. I mean, laboratory is we can create annotation here, and then how to do that? You just need to click create project and then Python. Maybe I want to say some uh annotation
Yeah, let me
for
just join.
Sam.
Let me
And
just
then
open my.
what?
Let me open my what the website real quick. Hold up.
Okay. And then this is the annotation. Or straightforward to the course. Which one do you prepare? Which one do you prepare, Sam?
Go with the course.
The course?
Yeah.
I mean, okay. So go to the module 3, Sam, the third module, function and modules, and then go to the lesson 3 here. Okay? And then
Okay.
here we are. Okay. I want to show you first how to connect with modules. So this is the first way is so three ways. I want to say three ways to connect with modules in Python. Okay? So first way, I will say import the name of the module. In this case, let's use random. Okay? And
Okay.
then I want to create variable my number, my lucky number maybe. My lucky number is equal to I have to use, let's say I want to use randit, so I have to say random, mention the module and dot randit, ran, and then from 1 until 100 maybe. So if you run the code, nothing happens. Why? Because you need to print your lucky number. Print my lucky number. And this is what will happen. 27 from 1 until 100. And each time you run the code, it yeah, kind of the probability to generate the same number, it's 1 over 100 or 0.01%. Okay, Sam?
Okay.
So each time I run the code, it should be different because yeah, if you want to create the same, it's yeah, the probability it's just 1.100, 1 over 100. Okay, Sam? This is the
Okay.
first way. The second way is you need to say prompt my module name, my module name, random import, and the specific function that you want to use. Let's use random in this case. So you just need to kind of do not be feel bad with this because the name of the function it's pretty same with the name of the module. So this is not if you say this stuff, Sam.
Yeah.
So you will call random function from random module. This is the meaning of what you are typed here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So and then let's use my guess and then random. So random if you're using random, I mean, so you do not need to specify from what to what because it's just print out from 0 until not including 1. Okay. And
Okay.
then if you say print my guess, yeah, it's almost infinity. So 0.72 like that. It's almost
So
different
like,
in each
right.
time.
So random is for decimals, right?
Exactly right.
So randed is for the real numbers, like the big
Yeah,
number.
exactly right. So if you want to print a decimal number using random, you just need to multiply it by 100 and then it will print out something like this for you. You got it?
Okay, I got it. I got it.
Okay. And then the third way is the last way is you can say from random. I need to import everything. Okay.
Okay.
And then let's say my number. You can use, let's say my number is using randit first. And then I wanna from 1 until 10. And then my number. And then this is for the second one is random, let's say. And then if you print my first number is my number and then print second number my so this is something that you will see, Sam. My first number is 7. It's almost different. Okay, Sam,
Okay.
you got it?
I got it.
Okay, do you have question?
Questions. Let me think. No, not really.
No, is
Not
everything
really.
okay?
Yeah, everything's
Okay,
okay.
so this is the first way, this is the second way, and then this is the third way. I don't know the other way. This is the ways that I just know. Okay, Sam. The next thing is about time module, and then let's get started to the theoretical or the website. I mean, answer all of the question. Okay,
Okay.
let me explain to you about time module. So time module has a function like the name is time and then the name is sleep. Okay, and then if you want to use time, it will return number of seconds since the beginning of the epoch. And then this is the beginning of the epoch since 1st January, January 1st, 1970. Okay, Sam?
Okay.
And then sleep function. This is will, suspend the program. for the number of a second, or sleep the program for number of second. And then round, this is not from time module, Sam. This is a general function in Python. It's not coming from time module. Okay.
Okay.
But why do we need to use round? Because time module will return a value in a millisecond term. Okay. So you need to round it. I mean like this, Sam. So now let's go into let's say this number, and then you say from time import everything, and then let's say I will use sleep. Okay. So I'm gonna say first time. So if you print time like this, or how many seconds is equal to time like this. So if you print seconds, this is what will happen, Sam. Okay, so from 1st January 1970s, the number of seconds is 1 billion, no, yeah, 1 billion, yeah, I think this is 1 billion, yeah, 1 billion, 752, oh, excuse me, that's not billion. I want to say this is kind of large seconds, Sam. Okay, okay. And then something
Okay.
that you have to notice is this is returning a millisecond. That's why. So each time you run is it will different. I mean the number will increases because yeah the time is running. Okay, Sam.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, this is time. And then how do you sleep? So sleep is using to count how many. Let's say I want to print your name. Print my name is Sam. And then I want to print something like this. Print I am an expert and I am a coding expert. No, if you want to use sleep, if you do not use sleep, this is what will happen, Sam. Okay, so this step it's almost print in the same time, right, Sam?
Yes.
And then
Correct.
if you use print sleep, it will suspend your program in a second. So it will print this term first, my name, and then 1, 2, 3. It will print the second one. I'm a coding expert. You got it?
I got it.
Okay, that's how we can use time module and random module. Do you have question?
Nope.
Okay, if there's no question, now I wanna take an example for you, and then you can share your screen. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Or you wanna straight share your screen?
Yep.
You wanna directly share your screen?
Yes.
Okay.
First, let me just share screen. Where's the button? Mm, Share my. uh,
Come on, Sam.
Hmm.
Are you sure? There is no problem import all. No, there is no comment like that. And you cannot use import first. It should be from first. Mm-hmm.
Iya po, aduh.
Okay, that's all. Answer.
Siya.
Should be right. So do you like Russia, Sam?
What?
Do you like Russia?
What? I can't hear you.
Do you like Russia?
I'm good.
That's not my question. Do you like Russia, Sam?
Russia. Yes, it
Rus.
has a good culture.
Hmm.
Hmm?
Okay. What will you do?
There's something called current number. No, hold up.
You don't know how? Okay. I'll give you. Okay.
Hold up. Let me try, let me
Okay.
try.
Okay. 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 I like that.
Great. Like that, right? Sir, am I correct? Sir?
Yes. You're right. Now you can go to the other, but submit it first. You need to submit first.
Like how again?
I mean, go. Yeah. Please the sidebar. Can you click the sidebar? No. 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 I mean
This?
the right side.
This?
Yeah. And then, aha, there we go. No, 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 no. Checklist first, aha, and then submit. Okay, Sam. Oh my God. Okay, how
Mm,
about now?
mm, mm, oops.
Hmm.
Hmm.
How? How would you do that?
So first, we'll just start with the input for actually hold up. Oh, the input codes, I guess. Oh my God. This,
Mm-hmm.
I think it shouldn't be INT.
Mm.
That means now,
Come on, Sam. First, maybe I need to explain to you about the difference between.
between.
Let me control you.
Okay.
Okay, so let's say I have a variable like this, Sam. Oops.
Hold up, and just,
Okay, so let's say I have a variable like this. Num is equal to int. What?
hello, sir.
Int. Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
is your, why is is your internet bad?
No.
Yeah, because
Am
you're
I
lagging.
lagging? Oh my God.
Okay, and okay, continue, sir, continue.
Continue.
Yeah.
Int input. Let's say Sam.
Ada beli apa, bro?
Now the difference between you do something like this. Hold on. While num is not equal to 0, print me. And this, while int input Sam is not equal to 1, is print me. Okay, so the difference is this is will has the same thing, Sam. Okay? I mean the same, so it will ask you, oops, excuse me. 0, oops, uh, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So it will ask you, right, Sam, until the zero is entered. Okay. Now, if you're using the second way, this is shorter. You see? So you do not need to create a variable and then you do not need to mention the variable. So if you're using this method, you just need to say something like this once. Okay, second. Oops. 2, 2, 2. And then it has the same output. It will ask you again. You see the difference, Sam? Zero. You see the difference? There is no difference. The difference just when you do this stuff, you need to mention it in here, and in here again. But when you do not use variable, you can directly add the variable here. You got it?
I got it. I got it.
Okay. Come on. How would you finish that?
Hold up. So did you copy paste or did you save the lesson from before?
No, I do not. I
Um,
I remove that. You can refresh it because we do not need to create a new variable. That's enough. Aha. While input is stop, that's enough.
hold up. Oh my this. There you go. When to read the instructions again. Like this, right? Like make it randomized from 1 to 2.
Not really. You have to validate it. So yeah. You're right. You need to create a variable, and then the value is rendered,
Okay, hold up.
and then rendered 1 comma. That's not use dash, comma 2. Okay. Why it should be 1 and 2? Why not 1 and 3? Yeah, exactly
Uh,
right. Exactly. Now what? You need to say if the what is
if,
mm-hmm, the RNG is 1, so you need to raise 1 participant should be added.
oh my.
Raise 1 participant. Uh-huh.
Like this, right?
Yeah, that's right. Plus equal. Plus equal. Okay. And then the else is
Else, else is,
the
hold up.
else
Let me
is
see. Add raise
then
participant.
mm-hmm.
This one.
Yeah, exactly. Why we do not plus it with 2? Why plus 1, Sam?
Uh, yeah, because there's only one person entering the competition.
Exactly right. Okay, so now you need to print the
Oh yeah.
RNG, the rank.
We're supposed to get a print.
Yeah, no. First print the range. At line 7, hit enter on there.
Line 7.
Before I mean after. No. After. So you have to generate and print it. Print RNG. I don't know what's the statement. That's not RNG, by the way. I mean, the statement is not RNG. That's the statement. Your number is, comma, RNG. Your number
What?
is, comma, RNG.
Yeah, hold on, let me just see that real quick.
And then at line 13, you need to print raise one participants are, comma, raise one participant. Inside while loop. Outside the else. Uh-huh. No, you need to print it.
Oh yeah. So,
Print, that's the statement. Raise one participants are, comma, no, no.
oh,
Okay. That's the value. You're right.
it's the value. I know. I forgot to put the print first, then then the variable.
The statement.
It's, oh my.
R1. Okay. That's nice, Sam. Copy and paste. Change the statement. Exactly right. Oh, okay. Now you you got it? How does it work?
Okay, I got it. I got it.
Seriously, you got it.
Yes, I got it.
Okay. Okay. You can, yeah, exactly right.
Oh,
How about this, Sam? Uh-huh. So this is the first task, at the PowerPoint that I have told you.
hold up, sir. My internet connection is unstable.
Okay.
Hold up. Let me just refresh real quick. What? What?
Where?
Oh, oh, okay, that's weird. Well, let me just.
Done, Sam?
So basically, like, it has to pick two random people.
Yes. No, actually, you just need to, yeah. So you need to create two random variable.
Start with the input first, I guess.
So what would you do, Sam? Don't forget to connect with the module first. Sam? Exactly.
Oh, the there's how the input for? Yeah, I saw what the input.
Exactly. Team one is equal to INT input. If you can solve this problem, it means that you completely understand about random module.
Let's try.
And then what?
Let me check. We There you go. It works
There we
again.
go. Mm-hmm.
Oh, what? Hmm.
Mm.
Okay.
The word
There's no
explains any.
while.
Mm-hmm.
There's no while. We got that means.
No, we do not have to use while.
Hmm. Then pick two people, random people from each team, and pair it together. Like that, right?
You need to try.
Like you have to pair the people. Because the
Yes.
mind. Okay.
So you can say first people is equal to what?
First,
What?
I
What?
forgot how to do it.
First people, just write first people. First people is equal to, uh, and then you need to randomize it. So using randit there, randit from one,
Ah, okay,
right?
I understand it now.
Oh yeah, right now. Okay. Are you sure?
Yes,
So
I
it
think. Hold
it
up, I
it
need
it
to,
it will return. It will read. Okay, let's see.
let's try.
Aha. So you need to put two arguments on there. So no. That's right. That's no. You do not need to do that. It says randit takes exactly two arguments, but you just give it one. So you need to randomize one comma the length of the teams, right? The numbers of the team, right? So from one people
Yes.
until the length, right, Sam? Or we do not need to use length. Oh, use comma. One, comma, the number of the first team. Aha, like that, right, Sam? Oh,
Like this, right?
wow. No. We do not need the dash. We do not. Aha, this is say one
Oh,
till.
oh,
You got it?
Okay, I get it. I get it.
Okay.
Two, two.
Now you just need to print what? Print?
The pairs.
Yeah, exactly right. Print the pairs. But I don't know the
Okay.
statement. It has
Hold
a
on,
statement. Swimmer?
I need to. Okay, swimmer.
Uh-huh.
Um. Hold on. No. Hold up.
Comma?
Hold up. Swimmer, comma. People one.
Exactly. Exactly. Very nice.
Hold up. That's not correct. That's not correct English. Hold up.
Exactly right. Thank you for correcting me. Thank you for correcting me, Sam.
Okay. Swimmer again.
You, where is the dash? Comma first, Sam. Comma first. Dash? No, you can add the swimmer at the same time in the with the dash. Dash swimmer like that. Comma person two. Second person. But you forgot the comma after person one. All right, Sam. I think you got it. Exactly right. Wow. Congratulations, Sam. Okay, Sam. I think that's enough for today. Thank you so much. You,
I think there's one thing we haven't do yet, sir. Hold up.
what is that?
Time.
Oh, the time module. Okay. I think no, my goal is I just want you try first for the time one. But it's okay. A
Uh,
module is a file with a program in Python. For example, uh random
go.
in time. Random in time. And then function can be extremely useful. Randid. That's randid in
Hold
specific.
up.
Randid. Okay. And then time.
Okay, I don't know, to be honest. I forgot.
Time. That's time. Okay. Okay. I want to teach the other class, Sam. I'm so sorry for that.
Okay. Okay, sir. I'm gonna ask you questions later.
What is that?
No, okay, later. After this.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
If I have any like delays, like
Yeah.
I don't know something and I need any help.
Uh,
Do you not have any more time or is over already?
uh, today?
Yeah.
You mean today or?
No, like how many more minutes we have until our lesson
Oh,
ends?
oh, I was just say 4 minutes.
Okay, let's try to can just teach me this and I'll try to fix it.
Okay. Okay. So, so the first one, there's no. This should be, let's use everything. From time import everything. There is no random in time module. No. I mean, everything means star,
What?
star, star, asterisk. No, I mean,
This
the
control my
star.
screen, control my screen.
Like, I'm so sorry. Don't be panic. It's okay, okay?
Not okay.
Okay, so I mean, star like this. And then we have rest 30 and then beginning time using time module. And then while the rest is greater than 0 and the move is not It's not with up. So you need to input your move and then end time and then because we want to make it into a minute, so you need to divide the time with 60 because it this is returning milliseconds. And then what?
Oh,
And then you need to, yeah, I think this is pretty enough. I think that's all. Name move. Excuse
how?
me for that. You need to add this stuff here. Okay, and then
Be quiet.
it's okay. Uh-huh. That's all.
Oh, that's all.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. That's all.
What? Oh, oh, what?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now you can. Okay. Thank you so much for being here, Sam. So, what did you learn today?
How to randomize things
Mm-hmm. And then?
and how to what's it called again? Add
How
time.
to
Time.
count? How to
How
count
to
how
add
many?
some
Yeah.
time.
Okay. So, could you please tell me one way to connect with a module?
From import.
What? From what? From, yeah, you need to specify the module, of course.
Yes.
From random import what? Specify the
From random
modules.
import random.
Okay,
Random.
exactly. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for being here, Sam,
Okay.
and I really appreciate your
Okay.
hard work. And I
Bye,
just
sir.
want to say, I okay, bye bye.
Bye. I haven't eaten yet, so I need to eat.
Okay.